Hello, scholars. Happy Thursday. I hope that you're having an amazing day so far. Good morning if this is your morning class, or good afternoon if this is your afternoon class. This video is intended to give you an oral reading of the quiz. This serves as oral administration of your plot quiz. So first you want to go to the bottom of your quiz, fill in your first name, last name, class period, and date. So go ahead and fill in your first name, last name, class period, and date. You may pause this video if you need extra time to write your first name, last name, class period, and date. Today is October 7th. Directions. This is your plot diagram quiz. You will label each element or plot. You will label each element of plot, then explain what happens in each element. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, but it will not let me number it, so I may have to add a text box. So again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In box 1, blank establishes the setting, introduces the protagonist and antagonist, and gives background information. So again, label it. What is the name of this section of the plot diagram? And then explain what happens in this element of plot. 2, blank explains the events that lead up to the climax and give details about the inciting incidents. Blank explains the events that lead up to the climax and give details about the inciting incidents. So again, don't forget to label it. What is this element of plot? Give me that vocabulary word. 3, blank is the highest point of the story, most exciting, most traumatic, the scariest, or it is also known as a turning point in the story. So what is this element of plot? Give me that vocabulary word and then explain it. 4, you may pause this video or rewind it as you see fit. If you need extra time, you may pause this video at this time. Number 4, blank takes place after the climax. Tension decreases and the story moves towards the conclusion. So again, label it. What is this element of plot? Give me that definition. I'm sorry, that vocabulary word. Blank takes place after the climax. Tension decreases. The story begins to slow down. And the story moves towards the conclusion. 5, last element of plot. Blank is when things begin to settle down. The events resolve, but it may not be a happy ending like most fairy tales. It is essentially the ending. A blank is when things begin to settle down. The events resolve, but it may not be a happy ending like most fairy tales. It is also known as the ending. What is this element of plot? And then use your own words to explain what this elemental plot is. I hope that this video finds you well. Again, you may go back and re-listen to it if you need to. If you need to go back and rewind it, you can. I hope this video finds you well, and I hope that you do well on your quiz. You will please look for your graded quiz during either 6th period if I have your 5th period. If I have you for 7th or 8th period, look for your quiz to be graded no later than Monday by the close of school. I hope that you have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.